Alright, I am going to pick a few problems from chapter 2.2 from the 60s section, problems in the 60s. Let's start with 62. We'll do 62a. We have 4b to the 1/2, or you can think, oh, that's the square root, b, and then 8b to the 1/4. Alright, that 1/4 is just on b. So, a couple ways that you could think about this. Either this is 2 squared to the 1/2, which is just 2, or you could think this is the square root of 4. In either case, that's 2, and then b to the 1/2, or the square root of b, times, and this is just 8b to the 1/4, so 2 times 8 is 16, b to the 1/2 times b to the 1/4, I can add those. That's b to the 3/4. So that's 62a. Let's take a look at 64, also a, dealing with negative exponents. So we have 8y cubed to the negative 2/3 power. So why don't we rewrite 8 as 2 cubed? Since over here it looks like we're going to need a cube root. 2 cubed, which we could do later as well, but I'm going to do it now. Negative 2/3. Okay, from our exponent laws, we know that we can multiply, distribute to the exponent of each of my factors in here. So 2 to the 3rd to the power of negative 2/3 means I can multiply those, and I have 2 to the negative 2, and the same thing here, y to the negative 2, which means I'm going to end up with 1 over 2 squared y squared, which is 1 over 4y squared. So that's 64a, and I'm not doing the b's because they are similar, but we can go on and do 66a, which is just ever so slightly different, y to the 1/3, and both, all of that to the negative 3/5. Here I'm just dealing with variables, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute my power, because I'm taking the power of powers. So x to the negative 5 to the negative 3/5. My negative times negative will be positive. My 5/5 will be 1, so this is x cubed. Y, positive negative will be negative. 3/3 will be 1, so this is going to be negative 1/5. Alright, and that means x cubed over y to the 1/5. And I believe in this set of problems we're going to leave it like that, rather than write this as the 5th root in radical form. Alright, number 68. We'll use a good bit of room for this. We have x to the 8th, y to the negative 4th over 16y to the 4/3, all of that to the power of negative 1/4. Alright. Oh, let's... I was thinking of combining these, but I don't want to turn that into 12/3 right now. Let's just do the 1/4 of the 4th after... Oh, maybe we can just move it down. X to the 8th over... And 16, right? 4 times 4, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the 4th, y to the 4th, y to the 4/3. And so I'm not completely simplifying to the negative 1/4. And, oh here, we will take care of that negative and move everything on the bottom to the top, and on the top to the bottom. Oops, x to the 8th, and you don't have to do all of this way, but There are different ways that you could do it. And I'm out of space on this piece of paper, so let's go over here. 2 to the 4th to the 1/4 is simply 2. Y to the 4th to the 1/4 is simply y. Y to the 4/3 is simply, to the 1/4 is simply y to the 1/3. And then x to the 8th to the 1/4 is x to the 8/4, which is 2. And then we'll need to combine these. So that's y to the 3/3 times y to the 1/3. So 2y to the 4/3. I can add those over x squared. Sorry, running out of space. Okay. And then number 70 is basically one of these times another one, and you just need to put those all together.